In the wild, some animals have developed fascinating self-medication habits. For instance, capuchin monkeys rub millipedes on their fur to ward off insect bites, effectively using the insect's defensive chemicals as a natural pesticide. Monarch butterflies engage in a sophisticated form of self-medication by laying their eggs on toxic milkweed plants, providing larvae with a medicinal diet. African elephants will seek out certain cliffs that contain mineral-rich clay, consuming it to neutralize toxins in their diet. Similarly, woolly bear caterpillars have been observed eating specific alkaloid-rich plants to combat parasitic infections. This intriguing behavior demonstrates the diverse and intelligent ways animals have adapted to natural environmental challenges.